Hey everyone, my name is B. Troford Wilson, and here's another photo shoot breakdown. So for this photo shoot, I got to work with Atlanta Falcons player James Vaughers, and he told me that he wanted some nice clean images to add to his portfolio. So let's get into the photo shoot details. So I was shooting on the Canon R3 and I was tethered to capture one. And as you guys can see in the behind the scenes, we were using the ultimate tethering bundle that I have here in the studio. Now for my lighting setup, I used a 3-light Profoto kit. For my key light, I had the OCF beauty dish with the diffuser on it because we wanted the images to be clean and lifestyle, but not too contrasty and not too harsh. For my fill light, I had the parabolic umbrella with the diffuser on it as well, just to soften up and fill in the shadows a bit. For my rim light, as you guys can see in the video, I had a soft box to the side of him aimed towards him just to create a nice separation between him and the background. As you guys can see, I didn't use a backlight because I didn't want to white out the background. I kind of wanted to have a nice little off-gray look. So being able to have that rim light created a nice separation between him and the background, and having the parabolic fill ended up filling in the background a little bit to where it wasn't too dark of a gray, but a nice, beautiful, even light gray. So for the second half of the shoot, we decided to go over to the black background. For my key light, I used a beauty dish, and instead of having a fill light and a rim light, I decided to do 2 rim lights, one on each side, just to create nice separation between him and the background, but as well as be able to accent his muscles and to accent his biceps, abs, and everything like that. Now the reason I love to use this lighting setup whenever I'm shooting on black, and if my subject is wearing black, one, it creates a nice separation between them and the background. So as you guys can see in this video, I'm actually using that same 3-light setup, but instead of having the beauty dish, I have an octabank aimed towards me, and I have my 2 rim lights. And because I'm wearing black, I want to do something to create a little bit of separation between me and the black background. This is always a great lighting setup to use, especially if you're shooting on a black background. If you guys watch my videos, I love using this setup whenever I'm using my color gels. So if you ever want to start with something very, very simple, start with this awesome 3-light setup, having your key light and 2 rim lights. So I hope that this photo shoot breakdown was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and be on the lookout for the next one.